What's up, YouTube? Today, Chris's Duramax is gonna get some new parts, but first, we gotta wash this thing because it is dirty. Been driving around all winter long, probably hasn't seen a car wash since the beginning of winter when we started snowmobiling. We're gonna go ahead and take care of that and then get back to the house and get some new parts installed in this thing. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? So that's stock turbo sound right now, and as you can guess from the thumbnail, the old Duramax, she getting a new turbo today. Well, maybe between today and tomorrow. It's not here yet, so we're gonna try to get the old turbo out, and then by the time the new turbo gets here, either start putting it in today or finish up tomorrow. But turbo's not that loud right now. I think we can get a little bit more out of it. We're gonna time lapse most of this, but we'll stop in between here and there to go over what we're working on. Go ahead and keep watching and enjoy. So a little update, guys. Got the AC compressor off, air filter out of the way. We're currently draining the coolant, kind of slow because it's windy out here if you can't tell. I got some PB blaster in there on the downpipe, so we're about to take that V-band clamp, take it off, and we'll be back with you guys soon. What's up, guys? We just got back from a little lunch break. Before that, we had finished getting the up pipe bolts off, so both of those up pipes are free now. And we just ran to the store because I needed to get some more gloves. I hate working with dirty ass hands. And now we are gonna start working on the turbo pedestal bolts and the oil feed line on the bottom. That one should be fun because I don't really want to take the Y bridge off like I talked about, because all these fuel lines cover it. But if I need to take the Y bridge off, I guess I can. Just be some more time, but turbo's still not here yet. Making some good progress. Catch back up with you guys here soon. All right, well, We just got the turbo out. We didn't film all of it because it took two of us, because we didn't pull our up pipes all the way off, mainly because we're not replacing them, and a couple of the studs felt like they were gonna break, so we just left those in to try and play it safe. That oil feed line kept messing with us, so we had to work some magic to get it out. But turbo's out. Took a lot less time than I thought it was gonna take. What do you think, Chris? Was that faster than you thought it would be?
Yeah.
I think that a lot of guys on YouTube complain about how difficult this job is, but I've taken the top of this motor apart a couple times doing some other stuff, and that went fairly smooth. So now we just have to wait on good old UPS to get here with the new turbo. Hopefully that's not at 6:30 tonight, but
It will be.
we'll catch back up with you guys here soon. All right, y'all, what's up? So new turbo came a lot quicker than we thought it was gonna to. Got ourselves a downpipe gasket, my up pipe gaskets. Look, there's a gasket for the intake horn. I don't think there was one on there to begin with. So what we have here, this shipment came from Wisconsin, I believe. This is from Ryan's Diesel Service. Shout out to Ryan for getting us this so quick. Oh, she's heavy. This is a 64mm turbo for the LB7. Looks like we got some parts we're gonna have to swap over from the other turbo. Here we have the stock turbo side by side with the Ryan's Diesel 64mm turbo. The stock one, I believe, is 60.2mm. You can see this is a 10 blade and this is a 5 blade, so you should get some pretty cool sound difference from this. But we're gonna start working on swapping over all the parts.
That's a 6 blade, you jackass.
Alright guys, so as you can tell, the sun is now on my east, which means that this is day 2 of the turbo install. We worked a little bit into the night last night, but got a little too dark to do anything else. It's pretty cold out right now, about 35 degrees. We're gonna get started on this. I gotta get the intake horn on there, then install that crossover coolant hose, and then once that's done I can start connecting all the electrical, put the coolant back on there, alternator, air filter, filler with coolant, and we should get a start up here pretty soon, so stay tuned. Alright, so we're at Advanced Auto Parts, and you can definitely hear it idling right now. That is gonna be a fun time. Thanks so much for watching. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you liked what you saw, give this video a like for us, as it would be really appreciated. We're currently working on getting all of our new merch onto our website, so stay tuned for that. Also, don't want to forget to mention that we are going to be running a giveaway sweepstakes for the truck in this video. Stay tuned for more details on that. Hit that bell to get notifications of when we post more build videos of the D-Max. Don't forget, for all your performance truck needs, we've got you covered, and we will beat any competitor's pricing no matter what. See the link in the description for contacting us for truck parts.